It's you and me together. Oh yeah. It's you and me as one.
Hey, Amelia here with your Mills Trills Guide to Songwriting. Today we are going to write a song using shapes. So all you need is paper and 3 markers, each a different color. First thing you're gonna do is take one color and draw a shape. What does yours look like? Cool. Wanna see mine? Shape number 1. Take your next color and draw another shape. Let's see. Cool. Here's mine. Take your third color and draw the third shape. Let's see yours. Very cool. Now we're going to assign a sound to each shape. So my first shape is what? A triangle. What would a triangle sound like? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What does your shape sound like? Nice. Now your second shape. I drew a circle. My circle will sound like this. Ooh. What does your shape sound like? Sweet. Okay, my third shape is this squiggly line. And I'm gonna turn it into a blah 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 sound. What's your third shape sound like? Nice. Okay, so what happens when I put all of these sounds together? Doop doop doop, doop blub blub blub. Do your sounds with me. Doop doop doop, doop blub blub blub. Again. Doop doop doop, blub 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 blub. Cool. Okay, now we're going to arrange them in an order. On your page, write the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. Pick any of your shapes and put it under your first number. Now you can decide what comes next. And next. And now decide what's gonna go last. Now, do you remember your sounds? Let's try to put them together in this order that you just made. Doop doop doop, blub blub blub, blub blub blub, blub blub blub. You try. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh me. Now you've arranged your sound in an order and sequenced it into a song. You can keep going on the next line. Now, you can put them all together, starting from the top, which means the beginning in music language. Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Blop, blop, blop. Blop, blop, blop. Doodle-doodle-doop. Blop, blop, blop. Doodle-doodle-doop. Doodle-doodle-doop. Beep, boop, bop. And you can keep going and going and going and going. And that's your song for today. Make sure you leave your picture below so I can see what your song looks like. And if you want to do a recording, send that along too. I'd love to hear what you came up with today. Until next time, keep writing those songs. Mwah!
You and me together. You and me as one.